beautiful people. Timothy Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about the Premier Marketing Academy. Got a good one for you today. Go ahead and like the video, guys. Are you subscribed to the channel? Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And the notification bell, so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Hey, guys, I'm excited to bring this video. We're going to empower you to achieve financial freedom. Today, I want to be doing some teaching and training about the Premier Marketing Academy. Guys, this thing is very exciting. If you want to win at home and want to win big, if you want financial freedom, we're going to show you how to do it. When you invest in yourself, folks, great things can happen. The sky can be the limit as to what you can achieve and as to what you can have. And it's just amazing to see the results that we are experiencing in the programs today. So we're truly excited about what we have going on and want to walk you around, show you a few things, and go from there. Now, this is the website that you're going to get when you come into the Premier Marketing Academy. The Marketing Academy has several levels of participation. We're going to go down and go from there. We're going to talk about them and go from there. We've got several websites you can choose from, a smorgasbord of websites to choose from. Right now, I'm having a webinar put together, and this thing is converting like it's nobody's business, so we're excited about that. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to create commissions 24/7, 7 days a week, it is possible. Placing ads, advertising, mailing postcards, solo ads, training, Craigslist, Facebook ads, whatever you want to do, video marketing, it's up to you. And there's no right or wrong way. The main thing that you want to do is expose people and give them exposure to your opportunity. And that's so exciting. Make more money from anywhere. Create a legacy, guys. End the cycle of failure and for all. Let's look at this brief video in just a minute. We'll come back over here. But we've got, guys, look at this. We have a library of training, sell optimization, Facebook strategies, social media marketing, video domination, signature video training, Viking training. Guys, this thing's exciting. When you get a chance, look at all these awesome testimonials. Look like Timothy Thomas right there. And see what we've got to say about this system. It is, again, one of the highest converting programs that I'm promoting. When you join my team, guys, I got a proven postcard that you can mail it. It's totally optional. There's no right or wrong way. The main thing, you want to get people to your lead capture pages. Now, let me show you what my lead capture page looks like. This is what my lead capture page looks like. Hang on tight. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. Capture page right here. I'm using this one right here. I am using that lead capture page right there. Beautiful capture page. Super excited about that. Work from the beach. And it's easier than you think. Your name and phone number. When people put their information in, guys, that'll take them again to this page right here. And they can join the academy. This website does the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. You're going to get 100% commissions paid directly to you. You can decide how do you want to get paid. Whether you want to get certified check, money order, payment processor, you make the decision how you want to get paid. You can earn unlimited $100 to $500 commissions, and we can go from there. When you click the join link, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. The membership levels, we got what we call the bronze, the silver, the gold, the platinum. You can join for $49 plus the admin fee. You can join for silver, $200 plus the admin fee, $300 the gold plus the admin fee, or you can jump the platinum plus the admin fee. Here are all the products, guys, the value, the products and the benefits that come along with your membership, guys, and it is endless. I'm not going to go through all of it, but it's just amazing, guys, is what you can pick up with this program. Well, let's just look at it real quick, and then I'll go to the video and we'll watch it, and then I'll come back to you and close out the video. Affiliate status, guys, you get access to our affiliate tools. You're going to get a replicated website, many capture pages to choose from. You can use the autoresponder. There's a built-in autoresponder. Remember, guys, there's a fortune in the follow-up, and there is a way that you can integrate your current email autoresponder to this system, marketing tracking, genealogy tree, email broadcast system. Monthly emails are allowed. Folks, this is exciting. Google AdSense training, Facebook marketing strategies, smartphone advertising strategies. We got a product called the Traffic Beast to get you more traffic than you can ever dream of. Video marketing mastery. You want to learn how to do videos, guys? There's nothing to it. Just turn on the camera and start talking. And we can show you how to do that step by step, guys, if you want to learn that skill. Zoom mastery training, guys. I would like to get more involved in Zoom. I don't do a lot of Zooms. I do more YouTube videos, solo ads, and I like to mail postcards. That's three of my big marketing strategies. VIP support, top affiliate compensation plan. Guys, here's the software you're going to have access to. Real software. You got the affiliate funnel builder. You got the auto blog feed, video converter squeeze page, testimonial tool, list cleaner software, backlinks warrior. You can get all that, guys, when you become a part of the Premier Marketing Academy. Of course, here, this is our affiliate program, guys, and it is exciting to be a part of the Premier Marketing Academy. Let's look at that brief video, guys, and then we'll talk about the affiliate marketing program in another video. But just basically what I just said in a nutshell, when you join the bronze, the silver, the gold, the platinum, you will receive commissions. Therefore, whatever level you join, you're qualified at that level to receive commissions at that level. Most of my sales guys are coming at the $500 platinum level. Most people are joining at the platinum level, guys. There's so many benefits. It's so affordable for the masses. Let's see if we can go back here, take a look at this video, and we'll go from there. Each day brings new opportunities. Let's enjoy this video together.
Are you frustrated with your online business? Are there times when you feel like trashing your computer? The struggle is real. Most people trying to make money online can relate to this statement. Are you one of them? Do you feel like you're continually wasting time and money chasing one supposed great business opportunity after another, only to experience little or no success? Not sure what you're doing wrong? Running out of ideas? You're not alone. Most people trying to make money online are facing the same challenges that you are. What's the solution? Education. To achieve online success, you must learn and master a few key skills. No one is going to do it for you. There's no gimmicks, shortcuts, or secret formulas that will create your success. You must commit to your own education. No more hoping, no more wishing, no more dreaming. No more would've, could've, or should've. No more delays, no more excuses. Just make it happen, with our help, of course. Welcome to the Premier Marketing Academy. We have an amazing membership platform that provides our members with an abundance of marketing tools, training, and resources. Our members get all the following: excellent marketing and business development video training courses, live member training sessions conducted by online marketing experts, 24/7 access to the Premier Marketing Academy Business Center, the opportunity to collaborate with other successful members through our private Facebook group, massive ebook library, marketing software, internet marketing resources, and lots of them. Additionally, our members get a fully automated marketing system which includes replicated website, multiple capture pages, multiple sales pages, email broadcast system, built-in autoresponder emails, contact management system, and marketing tracking system. Included with every PMA membership is our amazing affiliate program that gives our members the opportunity to earn money by sharing our membership platform. As a PMA affiliate, you will earn 100% commissions on the membership sales you make. You can earn $100 to $500 per membership sale made. And our affiliates are paid instantly by their customers. As a Premier Marketing Academy member, you can earn while you learn. We know what it takes to succeed online, and we're going to make sure that you do too. Our mission here with the Premier Marketing Academy is to empower our members with the key skills necessary to build a profitable online business. Our entire membership platform is based on providing our members with high-quality, affordable marketing and business development education. The kind of education that can lead to real results. We provide our members with an abundance of online marketing training and resources so they can succeed. And we focus our education on the skills we know are necessary to achieve online success. We don't make any outlandish income claims or make unrealistic, unattainable promises. We leave that for everyone else. Instead, we focus 100% on helping our members acquire the skills and resources they need to succeed. So if you're ready to make a meaningful breakthrough with your online business, we encourage you to join today. Our members love us, and so will you. Now, speaking of our members, we have quite a few member testimonials on our website. Make sure you listen to these member testimonials so you can hear what others have to say about the Premier Marketing Academy. Make the investment that matters most. Invest in your own education and commit yourself to learning the skills necessary to build a profitable online business you can be proud of. Join our team today and be our next success story.
Folks, this is a very exciting program, the Premier Marketing Academy. If you want to win, guys, and win big, income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. It is so exciting to be a part of a program that you can learn while you earn. We have membership testimonials, guys. Take a look at them, look at the levels, walk around the website, get familiar. One day, guys, I'm going to walk you around this robust back office, the marketing suite, the training center, the tools, the resources, and setting up your account. Very simple to do to start collecting those $100, $200, $300, $500 commissions on a daily basis. It's possible with this program. Okay, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you at the top, and we'll go from there. Also, friends, I'm going to be talking about the Cash Cow postcard. I partnered with one of our partners over at TNCL Marketing. Miss Ray got me into the program, and we're very excited about the Cash Cow program, and I'll talk to you more about that at a later date. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video. Click the link to get started below, and we'll go from there.